Hello everyone, this is Babita. Welcome to my channel Unnati Classes. The topic that we are gonna do today is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that at constant temperature, potential difference are directly proportional to current. Here V stands for potential difference, I stands for current. Potential difference is directly proportional to current flowing in the conductor. When we convert direct proportional into equals to, we multiply it by a constant. Here we multiply it by R. R is a constant here. From here we get V is equals to Ri. R is a constant and I is current flowing in the conductor. Here R represents resistance. Here we will draw some conclusions. First one is potential difference is directly proportional to current. When potential difference increases, current increases. When potential difference decreases, current also decreases. In second conclusion, potential difference is directly proportional to resistance. If potential difference increases, resistance also increase, and if potential difference will decrease, resistance also decrease. R is a obstruction or hindrance. If any hindrance is made in against of current, or if we need to increase or decrease the current, we have to increase or decrease resistance accordingly. We have already studied that V is equals to IR, and if we rearrange it, it can be R is equals to V upon I. That is, V represents potential difference and I represents current. From here, we get one more definition of resistance. The resistance of a conductor is given by the ratio of potential difference across the end of the conductor to the current flowing in the electric circuit. Let's see the unit of resistance. Here given R is equals to V upon I. So the SI unit of potential difference is volt and the SI unit of current is ampere. So the SI unit of resistance will be volt upon ampere. 1 ohm is equals to 1 ampere current flowing in the circuit when the potential difference is across the conductor is 1 volt. There are two types of resistance. First one is fixed resistance and the another one is variable resistance. The symbol of fixed resistance is this. In fixed resistance, we can't change its value, and under the variable resistance, its symbol is, and in variable resistance, its value can be changed, and it is also known as rheostat. Under variable resistance, when we place into the electric circuit, depending on current, we have to increase or decrease its value accordingly. But current and resistance are inversely proportionate. If current will increase, then resistance will decrease. And if current will decrease, then resistance will increase. We can also represent the relationship between potential difference and current on a graph. Here x-axis denotes current and y-axis denotes potential difference. The straight blue line is the Ohm's law denoting linear increase in the current as the potential difference increases. Thank you.